Welcome to the New York Diamond District, home of the Effy Design Studio and Factory. In just 4 decades, Effy Jewelry has become one of the most recognized and adored jewelry brands in Hollywood, in the fashion industry, and around the globe. Effy Jewelry was founded by Effy Hematian in 1979, and from day one, Effy has maintained the highest standards in design and craftsmanship. Today, we're going to take a look behind the veil of this legendary design house. We'll follow the journey of jewelry inspirations as they are miraculously transformed, step by step, into wearable masterpieces. From concept to completion, all under one roof, all under the meticulous direction of Mr. Effy Hematian.
My name is Effy Hematian. I'm really proud that I could tell you that came to this country with zero, and today we are one of the biggest manufacturing in the state.
Effy Jewelry is a family-run business, and Effy works side by side with his eldest sons, Benny and Bobby, every single day. They share their father's passion and goals for the Effy brand.
My background is electronic engineer. I think my electronic background is helping me a lot in design and see the things that people don't see.
Mr. Effy's creativity and inspirations are endless. At his desk in his design studio, Effy conceptualizes the original jewelry designs with a sketch, then works with a team of designers to refine the original concepts and bring them to life in an elaborate and detailed CAD drawing.
I am 100% involved in everything going on in this company.
Effy spends most of his time in the morning sketching and designing with his team, sometimes sketching as many as 20 to 30 pieces in a single day. In the afternoon, when Effy is not working on new designs in his studio, he can be found walking the factory floor, keeping an eye on every step of production, starting with the model making room.
To me, everything is important. Either 1/10 of millimeter to me is important.
Once the CAD designs are complete, they are handed over to the model makers. The artists in this room carve out the original designs from wax, and once these wax models are approved by Effy, the samples are included in the line and begin to move through the manufacturing process. Once the final model or sample has been made, a rubber mold is carefully carved for mass production. Each one of these canisters has hot wax in it. The mold is held up to a spout, and hot wax shoots through the spout at high pressure. Once cooled, the model is separated and the wax is checked for any imperfections. Each wax model is attached to a type of wax tree, which will be set in plaster at the end of each day. After a full day of creating wax models and a wax tree, the trees are then placed within a plaster encasement, and white plaster is poured over the wax tree. The plaster encasements have been in a kiln overnight, similar to an oven, which will cause the wax to melt and burn out, leaving its hollow image inside the plaster. This process is called the lost wax method. The molten gold at 2000 degrees is poured into the dried plaster, where it uses centrifugal force to drive the gold into the hollow spot left by the wax melting out. It then cools and solidifies into a solid gold tree. After the gold tree has been removed from the plaster and washed, the pieces have to be cut from the center and go through an initial polishing to soften the cut edges before heading to the gem setting room. Effy Jewelry hand selects and sets over 300,000 carats of diamonds every year. The world's most experienced diamond graders and specialists sort the stones by size and color to ensure maximum sparkle in every jewelry piece. Only the best diamonds are reserved for Effy Jewelry. If a diamond doesn't meet Mr. Effy's strict criteria for symmetry, brilliance, and beauty, the diamond is rejected. We all know that Effy loves color in his designs and uses over 1 million carats of precious colored gemstones throughout his collections. He ensures the highest quality by having a gem sorting room dedicated exclusively to rubies, emeralds, and sapphires. The gem sorters in this room have an amazing eye for detail. Each stone is hand-selected and matched perfectly. Once the stones are sorted, the pieces are then ready for hand setting. Each piece of Effy jewelry is hand set in gold or silver. This master setter works on Effy's original designs and samples. Once the jewelry has been hand set, it goes through a quality control process to ensure that the life of the product will endure. It will then go through a final polishing. The polishing wheel ensures a high shine finish that is smooth to the touch and comfortable for daily wear. After polishing, all jewelry will go through a final wash and steam to enhance the brilliance that you'll experience when you purchase your piece of Effy jewelry. Effy is renowned for having the best quality control in the jewelry industry. Effy performs one final inspection of every single piece. He checks the prongs, the stone setting, the inside of the ring, the metals, and the final polish. All to ensure your piece is delivered to you with the highest quality craftsmanship. If a prong is not quite right or a piece is not sparkling as it should, Mr. Effy will not allow that piece to go to market. Maybe this is why customers remain so loyal to the brand. Because Effy himself gives his stamp of approval on every piece, Effy Jewelry confidently offers a lifetime guarantee against manufacturing defect for the life of the jewelry.
We are so proud of what we do here. We give lifetime guarantee in workmanship.
We hope that this glimpse into the Effy manufacturing process demonstrates for you the dedication that Effy has to creating timeless designs that are made to last a lifetime. Until next time, thanks for watching the Effy Jewelry Show.